Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the FNSKU Sales by Date report found in the Orders FNSKU Sales section of Communicate for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communicate features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The FNSKU Sales by Date report displays a list of product sales by Amazon Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit, also known as a FNSKU, for the period selected and the filters applied. An FNSKU is a unique identifier comprised of 10 alphanumeric characters for products sold and fulfilled by Amazon. FNSKUs are unique identifiers used for distinguishing identical products sold by different merchants. The FNSKU identifies your products being sold via FBA, so you'll get credit for the sale. It doesn't happen often, but products from your catalog can be assigned multiple FNSKUs. The FNSKU Sales by Date report will summarize a variety of metrics like order and unit sales, product sales, revenue, cost of goods, gross margins, and more for every SKU in your catalog with the same FNSKU. Additionally, there are grand totals for each of the sales metrics located in the report footer so you can view the report sales summary. Let's get started with the FNSKU Sales by Date report presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Orders menu located in the ribbon bar and select the FNSKU Sales by Date report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range option located upper left of the data filters is set to 30 days by default. This date range will retrieve and display qualified sales for the last 30 days summarized by FNSKU. You can select any range you like using the selectors or manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options which determine the date type used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when executing order and sales reports like the FNSKU Sales by Date. The filter options found in the upper right of the data filters has no options. The next set of filters is the order status options. The default status is shipped and pending. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by brands, categories, countries, fulfillments, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, products, referrals, ship service, suppliers, states, and warehouses. Click on the Fulfillments tab. FNSKUs are exclusive to Amazon FBA and not meaningful to any other marketplace or fulfillment network. You will see various fulfillment types listed in the available list. From the available list, select the Amazon fulfillment added to the selected list. Now that we've explained the filter options and what they mean for this report, let's review FNSKU Sales. Click the Apply button to apply the filters for the FNSKU Sales by Date report. As you can see, there are 1,515 FNSKUs listed for this report. Before we begin discussing the data columns for this report, go to the Configure section located at the top right of the ribbon bar and click on the Display button. Select the Average Fees, Fees Percent, Gross Margin Percent column options found in the Column Options section. We'll need these columns visible when we discuss the fees and gross margin columns. Go to the Report Settings section and select the Show Find Panel option. Once these options have been selected, click the OK button to apply the changes and return to the report. Let's look at the data columns for this report so we can explain what each column represents. The FNSKU column is a unique identifier of 10 alphanumeric characters assigned by Amazon for this product. It is primarily used to distinguish your product from other merchants selling the same product at FBA. The remaining columns are totals for each data point based on the period selected and filters applied. The Orders and Units column represents the total number of orders and units sold for the FNSKU. The Sales columns are the total sales for the FNSKU. The sales value are the units multiplied by the sales price. The Min column represents the minimum or lowest recorded sales amount for the product. The Max column represents the maximum or highest recorded sales amount. The Average column represents the average sales amount for the item. The Range column would represent the difference between the max and min sales amount. The Range Percent column represents the percent difference between the max and min sales amount. The Sales Tax column represents the sales tax collected from customers for their purchases. The Ship Fee column represents the shipping amount collected from customers to ship their orders. The Discounts and Coupons column represents the promotions and incentives applied to the order. The Revenue column represents the total amount charged to the customer for their orders. The Revenue column comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts and coupons. The COGS column is the total cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is the cost per unit multiplied by the units sold. The cost per unit can be the actual vendor cost, or it can be a combination of costs reflecting the landed cost for the FNSKU. The ship cost column represents the total cost paid by the merchant to ship orders to customers for their purchases. The fees column represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The fees percent column represents the percentage of fees paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The average fee column represents the average fee paid per item per sale. The gross margin column represents the net amount or sales profit after revenues tallied and costs including sales tax are subtracted. The gross margin percent represents the percentage of the net amount or sales profit in relation to net revenue. The last date and days column work together. The last date is the last recorded FNSKU sale date for the item. The days column is the number of days since last sale. The days represent the number of days between today and the last date. The report footer contains the grand totals and averages of each data column for all FNSKU sales displayed in this report. All sales reports have a similar layout to the FNSKU Sales by Date report. You can use the lessons learned with this presentation for those reports. Recall the Show Find Panel option we enabled for this report. Look at the bottom left of the report below the column footers. You will see an area with the text Enter Text to Search Edit box besides Find and Clear buttons. Enter 13 in the edit box and click on the Enter key if the report is not automatically filtered. As you can see, there are 544 FNSKUs listed on the report with FNSKU values containing the find value. Click the Clear button to restore the report to its original 1,515 FNSKUs listed. Let's try something different which illustrates the true power of this feature. Type the value 2.3 in the edit box and click on the Find button if the report is not automatically filtered. Now there are 140 FNSKUs listed on this report. The power of the Find panel feature is easily illustrated on screen. Every single reference for the value of 2.3 is highlighted regardless of the column. It is a great way to find values, especially if you're not sure where those values might reside. One final feature found with the Find panel. Go back to the edit box. Click on the down arrow. A list of values used for filtering this report with the Find panel will be displayed. Select 13, then 2.3 from the list. I think you get the idea. Communicate for Marketplaces provides powerful filtering tools so you can find the data that matters most. This concludes our presentation of the FNSKU Sales by Date report found in the Orders FNSKU Sales section of Communicate for Marketplaces. In summary, the FNSKU Sales by Date report is an easy-to-use report for FNSKU sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. The display options provide for easy report customization, allowing you to add or remove columns and features as necessary. The Find panel feature allows you to easily find data in any column when matching values. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.